Okay, so I went into Sally Beauty Supply just to get acetone and a new gel polish to try. And the woman was there marking these down. I guess they're they're discontinued. All of the Orly gel products. They're normally like, I think, $10. I got them for $3. Yay! I'm so excited. Look at this pretty one. That'll be pretty for the cruise for summer. I don't know about that one, but I picked it $3. Hey. I think I'm going to try this one next. No, I've got sparkly on right now. I'll probably maybe I'll do that one. Anyway, here's the receipt. Let's see. There it is. Yay, I was so stoked. I came out giddy. Thanks, Orly.